Tired of waiting until payday to enjoy life? You're not alone. But what if there was a way to access your earned income before your next paycheck? Enter Beforepay. But hold on, not everyone qualifies. So, today, we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty. What are the actual requirements to get approved for Beforepay? Beforepay is gaining traction as a popular option for accessing your hard-earned money early. It's like getting a small, interest-free loan against your future earnings. Sounds amazing, right? But it's not a free-for-all. There are specific criteria you need to meet to be eligible. Let's break it down. First and foremost, you need to be actively employed. This usually means you have a consistent paycheck coming in from a job. Freelancers, contractors, and gig workers might have slightly different eligibility requirements, so it's crucial to check their specific guidelines. Next up, income level matters. Beforepay typically has minimum income requirements. These can vary depending on your location and other factors. It's essential to meet these income thresholds to be considered for early wage access. You'll need a valid bank account to receive your early wages. This is where the magic happens. Your funds will be directly deposited into your account. Ensure your bank account is in good standing and that you have the necessary banking information readily available. Your employment history plays a role too. Beforepay usually looks at how long you've been with your current employer. A longer tenure generally increases your chances of approval. Consistent employment demonstrates a stable income stream, which is key for any financial service. While Beforepay isn't a traditional loan, your credit history can still be a factor. A good credit score can improve your chances of approval and potentially increase your eligibility for higher advance amounts. However, even if your credit history isn't perfect, you might still qualify. Believe it or not, your employer also needs to be eligible for Beforepay. Not all companies are currently partnered with Beforepay. You can usually check their website or app to see if your employer is on the list. If not, you might need to encourage your employer to partner with them. So, you've met the basic requirements. Now, let's talk about how to increase your chances of approval and maximize your benefit. Accurate information. Ensure all the information you provide is accurate and up-to-date. Inaccurate information can lead to delays or even application rejection. Strong employment history. As mentioned earlier, a consistent employment history is crucial. Maintain good financial habits, pay your bills on time, and avoid excessive debt. This demonstrates responsible financial behavior. Read the terms and conditions. Beforepay has its own set of terms and conditions. Carefully review them to understand the fees, repayment schedule, and any other important details. Beforepay can be a lifesaver in a pinch, providing access to your earned income when you need it most. However, it's crucial to understand the requirements and use it responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.